Running in place is great for cardio, but frantic busyness and priority overload leave you with no time for leadership development. It's just frustrating, ineffective, and exhausting. The most effective leaders know that simply running faster isn't the answer. If you don't invest time to develop better approaches, you can only improve results by increasing your speed. Take a short time out, a couple of days, to focus development on using your leadership strengths, passions, and organizational needs to leverage your effectiveness. The Extraordinary Leader and the Extraordinary Coach are powerful one-day workshops that use new research and dramatically different approaches proven to produce measurably higher results without running faster. I'll help you use 360 feedback to identify key strengths you can leverage with our unique cross-training development approach to build your personal development plan. You'll learn how to unlock higher levels of employee productivity and engagement with a 4-step framework to boost your coaching effectiveness. Click below for details and registration. I hope to see you in Toronto on June 21st and 22nd at these extraordinary workshops to help you get off the treadmill.